Perfect size, not too big, not too small. I thought about going to med school, so I returned to school. I tend to desire what's around me. I have a bunch of odd jobs, like I'm gonna start. I wasn't really expecting much, but this is really nice.
Hello.
Hello.
So today we are here at...
Osaka Castle. I've never been here.
Really?
No, I recently moved to Kansai area. I used to live in Hawaii, and now I'm here. It's been 4 months. So yeah, this is one of the big spots in Osaka.
So you choose to bring me here because you also want to take this chance to visit here.
Well, also I saw this castle in between the buildings, and I was like, oh, that's cool. And the only thing I know about this castle is it was when Japan was consolidated under a warrior named Hideyoshi Toyotomi. He made this castle, but it burned down, so they built it again. Yeah, it's kind of like, it's big-ish. It's cutesy, I think. I feel like I'm walking into like Japanese Disneyland, like that's the Disney castle, but it's Japanese.
So we're here.
Yay. I think it's a perfect size, not too big, not too small, just right. I wasn't really expecting much, but this is really nice.
I think they recently renovated as well, so it looks like even nicer.
Yeah.
So tell me more about yourself, like how's your life before you are moving here? Where have you been?
I was living in Hawaii before moving here. I started making content in 2023. Let's see, I used to go dance. I used to work in a hotel for about 10 years, which was educational. After COVID, I returned to school because I thought about going to med school. So I returned to school, and then I got my undergraduate degree last summer, and then I moved here. So yeah, a lot of things going.
And why did you decide to move here?
Well, the politics wasn't too great. That made me start to think a little, but the deciding factor was actually the cost of living, and I missed the food in Japan because I grew up in Japan. So also I thought the job market is better here, and in some ways it is. So I'm pretty happy so far.
How do you find gay culture here compared to maybe Hawaii?
I met a few nice people already, so that's really good. Compared to Hawaii, there's a lot more people in the Osaka area where I live. The gay clubs, I haven't been to any gay clubs, but gay bars are smaller here, and the bartenders, if you know Japanese, they talk a lot and socialize with you, so that's nice. Mostly Japanese guys here though, which I'm very fine with, more than fine with.
So you said like you're more attracted to Japanese men?
It changes all the time. When I lived in Chicago, I used to be attracted to Latino guys and white guys. But when I moved out of Chicago, I guess I was attracted to pretty much any race. And now I'm in Japan and I see a lot of Japanese guys, so I tend to desire what's around me. I guess that's good.
Do you have any like cool experience or interesting experience on your journey so far, like in content creation?
I mean, I made, like-minded friends along the way, which is one of the things I value the most. I like meeting people with similar interests and kinks. So, anything interesting? Well, I teach English in a local university, but I wear glasses so they won't, no students will, well, maybe they'll find out, but I don't really care. But I do a little bit of disguise, that's it, disguise. I just wear one pair of glasses. But interestingly, I was a RA, residential assistant, in a dorm last year. So I was supervising a lot of residents, college kids. But none of them, I guess, figured out that I was making porn. But this double life is very interesting and fun, I think.
Now I'm curious, about culture here. If they find out or something, is it gonna affect the way you work or it's not?
I guess it depends. I guess I'll find out. I do massage, and like a gay massage, and they know, and they obviously don't care because the work itself is already pretty gay and pretty erotic. I have a bunch of odd jobs, like I'm gonna start being a tour guide for visitors from South Asia and places like that. So I have a bunch of different little jobs running around in my life. So I guess that's in a way nice. I'm not depending on one big company to, keep my lifeline and, life going. So I feel fortunate that none of my Japanese IT company applications worked out so far.
About the content itself, is there anything or kink that you want, that you particularly like to do in your content?
I'm open to new things. I don't really have, I think public content would be hot, but OnlyFans doesn't like that. So I want to make more of a scripted thing, and I'm writing some scripts for it. Yeah, I kind of want to bring myself a little bit more into it because I think I was withholding my personality and what I'm thinking, and I was just doing sex and posting that. So I'm hoping to put more of myself into making content this year. If you want to tie me up, please DM me and we can definitely discuss that. So.
Okay, so I guess it's time maybe. Should we go back?
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right.
Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more adventures and tell me in the comments who should I ask out for the first date next. Follow our socials for more content, links below. Bye bye.